Miing tabiri bapumna magpu kurumjari danip na taram nokchari. Sandokchari batharam asi Impact TV gi entertainment news kaya paudam puzarakliba Mami Mapao ni. Ngasigi chamaga mangarak suba episode asida kari karam Mapao sing puzarakliba gi haibatu thamjari. Mami Mapao gi ahan Mapao da thamjari. Haley and Sonia presents Miss Manipur 2022 pangthokhiba gi Mapao. Lobuk Michael Panglasi haina mingthonba sargamgi isai release tawkibagi Mapao. Ibo yaima sumanglila sanglenda chatharakpa yankhairak suba All Manipur Sumanglila Festival 2022 loshin khibagi Mapao. Tayai Film Production ki makhada puthokadaba nung on khraba thamoigi yaifathoni pangthokibagi Mapao. Aroibade thamjari Dance Fest Kill the Beat 2.0 hiyang thang mayai lambigi Iraima Eco Park ta pangthokibagi Mapao. So guys, ngasi ahanba Mapao da puzarakli. Haley and Sonia presents Miss Manipur 2022 5th edition September 11 da Lamboy Khongnang Khongi Trade and Expo Center da pangthokibaga loinana. Manasa Devi Sapamna Miss Manipur 2022 ki title lawkibagi Mapao asi miyam punna min taminasi.
Impact TV Mami Mapao midyang tabiri papumna mapu tensing pukhram bamna ikong nono khoromjari ngase ekhoina leijari bampham ase lamboi khongnang khong mafam adudani aduga pangthokliba thoram asina yam kuina Manipur ki Manipur ase desu world ki covid pandemic ki matungda amukka hanna one of the biggest haizabatare beauty pageant contest of Manipur, that is Miss Manipur 2022 mafam ase da pangthoktuna leire aduna Mami Mapao gi Mapao ma ai hangna hozik Impact TV gi kuthang dagi khoi gi Mami Mapao da mayam da yengbiri bapumna makta pauta adu puzarakli aduna mayam punna yengmenasi. We have Miss Manipur 2022.
Miss Manipur 2022 ki title Manasa Devi Shafamna Laukre Haley amati Sonia na present tawjuna Miss Manipur 2022 ki 5th edition Imphal West District ki Lamboi Khongnang Khong da laiba Manipur Trade and Expo Center da September 13 gi numidang da pangthokre. Manasa Devi Shafamna Miss Manipur 2022 5th edition ki mington fangkibaga loinana Kongshang Thai Pi Hurena edition asigi first runner up amadi Philayung Jazona second runner up Taki. Miss Manipur 2022 5th edition asida punna contestant kunga marina saruk yakivaga loinana edition asida subtitle taraga humdoi khanki. Miss Manipur 2022 5th edition asigidamak haukiva August kunga nipanda North AOC da laiva Hotel Imphal gi Sangai Hall da Miss Manipur 2022 gi audition pangthokivani. Audition aduda punna contestant yankhaina saruk yakivaga loinana Miss Manipur 2022 grand finale gi damak contestant kunga mari khangat kivani.
Everybody jump! Thank you! Thank you so much, everyone!
A huge congratulations to Philayung Zazo, contestant by 18, the second runner-up of Miss Manipur 2022. And the first runner-up goes to contestant number 4, Kongsang Teipi. Hooray!
So the winner of Miss Manipur 2022 is, well, let's say it together. She is none other than
Contestant number
7.
7, Manasa Devi Sapam.
Congratulations, Manasa Devi Sapam. Contestant number 7, winner of Miss Manipur 2022.
Congratulations, contestant number 7, Manasa Devi Sapam. She is the winner of Miss Manipur 2022.
Would like to request Rakesh Okrim once again to be on the stage. Rakesh Okrim. Congratulations, Manasa Devi Sapam. Contestant number 7, winner of Miss Manipur 2022.
Now we have come to the end of the show, the entire show. It was a long night and it was worth it. We have our winners, Miss Manipur 2022. The 3 winners are here, the beautiful ladies. So, impactive video hozik koi ka wari chana bagi tanja do lozage. Now, first of all, please state your name and your address first.
I'm Gongsangde Pihure and I'm from Kachai.
I'm Manasha Devi Sapam from Kwakatel.
I am Pilayung Jajo and I'm from Dulalan.
So you guys must be really tired, right? but it was worth it. Now, first of all, how do you feel winning? We have the first runners-up actually here. First runners-up. So how do you feel now after getting the crown and after this night? How do you see your journey from this night? How do you think it will change?
I honestly believe that the grooming session with Miss Manipur team was really helpful, and I couldn't be more grateful and honored to be part of this organization, and I'm really grateful for this win, and I hope to go for further pageants with the lessons I've learned from here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And now we're going to talk to the title winner, Miss Manipur. Somje Kwakatel dagini ko. Aduga Miss Northeast to represent the winner. Like along with the cash prize and all the exciting prizes, you're going to represent Manipur in Northeast. What is your preparation? How do you think you'll prepare?
I think I need to prepare more and more harder from this day because a huge responsibility is on my head and I had to pay it off. And I'm gonna practice very hard.
Sure, and all the best, and we are all here for you, and we hope that you bring the title back home also. Okay, now come this side. So we have Miss Jajo. She has done wonderfully well in this show. She's the second runner-up of Miss Manipur 2022. How was your journey, and what would you like to give, like a message? What message would you like to give out to our viewers about this journey and to the aspiring pigeons?
My journey was very rough, but at the same time it was very exciting because my God is always with me and I learned a lot and I'll keep moving forward, and I would like to tell their pageant aspirants to never give up on their dreams and to move forward and with God. Thank you.
Now, thank you so much for your time and all the best for your future, and we hope you win many titles ahead. So thank you so much and congratulations once again from our team. Hozik Miss Manipur 2022 mayam na miyang tabikre mathangi mapao si akoina anauba yam phajaba mathangi pageant natraga mathangi events kaya amada chatuna mapao miyam gi damakta puduna lakchage ngasi gi oina di matang sida loisinjare adombu pawdom jariba tenzing pukhram cameraman Kennedy gi loina na laibim phamasena lambui khongnang ko.
Miss Manipur 2022 की टाइटल लौखिबी मानसा देवी सापम, फर्स्ट रनर अप ताखिबी कोंगसांगथै पिहुरे अमदी, सेकंड रनर अप ताखिबी फिलायुंग जाजोबू ममी अपाउगी माइकेदगी थागतपा अमदी नुंगाइबा फोंदोचेत। लौबुक माइके पांगलसी हाइना मिथोनबा परफॉर्मिंग कम म्यूजिकल इंस्टीट्यूट सरगम की इसै वांखै कंस्टिट्युएंसी की एमएलए थांगजम अरुण कुमार ना रिलीज तौखिबगी पाव मुक मिइंग तामिनसी।
performing ka musical institute sargam gi labuk maikai panglasi haina mingthon ba isai release tawkre isai asi brahmapur nahabam da leiba b Netchandra Sharma gi yumda pangthokhiba thoram amada wangkhai gi MLA Thangzam Arun Kumar na release tawkhibani lamdam asigi lawmi shingbu pukning thogatpa loinana laingakna lawu shingu bagi lamda ahenba mityeng thamduna changsil lakliba thabak thoram singda anauba mayon ama piba oina sargam na ishai asi fongbani hairi sargam gi ishai asi RN Culture Department na paikhatliba Chief Minister gi artist singi tengbang scheme gi makada fongkibani labuk maikai panglasi haina mingthon by isai release tawbagi thoram aduda RN Culture Department gi Commissioner Mongzam Joy Director L Kishorjit Sargam gi hanegi President B Netchandra Sharma Housing President oina Thaupuriba M Dananjoy Sargam gi artist sing yauna mioi kayana saruk yaki
aduna tongan mga sisu isai haiba sisu ngasi puthokiba isai sisu yamna meaningful oiba tum isai moigani mioi bagi punsida isai yaudun hingmangam de mioi ba haiba sei isai amata osu haibra haitebra mana pamjabi isai ama haibra haitebra ma isai ama de soi saungani ba aduna ngasi isai haisina myam de piri be chilside duki matik chawre labuk maikai panglasi haisu hojiki leiba government siga yam chana be sei oidun ba koi labuk kansi ko si adu tosi labuk ta yum chajin ba kochin ba masi thing si ko losi hena myam torise aduna ngasi isai sina su adumba choba message sama pira kanda ai koi gi leiriba lomi sing haigadra aduga leiriba koi mipum gudi maksi thabak chuan ningbagi aduga koi labuk sing si kanbagi aduga koi si mipan tangdana hingnabagi
Lomi singna loiba thodangbu pukning thogatpo oina lobuk maikai panglasi haina mingthon ba isai sargam na puthokpada Mami Mapao gi maikaidagi pukning thogatpa uchari Palace compound da leiba iboyama sumangla sanglenda hokiba August 27 dagi Manipur State Kala Academy na simduna chatharakhiba Yankhairak Suba All Manipur Shumangla Festival 2022 September 14 da mai partner lotion khibagi Mapao asi miyam punna miting tamin asi
Manipur State Kala Academy na sinduna hokiba August kunga taret tagi Konu mamangda laiba iboyaima sumang lila sanglenta chatharakiba Yankhairak Suba All Manipur Sumang Lila Festival 2022 September taraga marida loishinkre Yankhairak Suba All Manipur Sumang Lila Festival 2022 asigi Best Production da Sanalai Pag Natom Artist Association ki lila Wakal Irombana takibaga loinana Sangai Artist Association ki Laglaroi amuk yening thana Second Best Production amadi Peacemaker Artist Association ki Mutlaroi daba Machuna Third Best Production takre Best Actor da Mutlaroi daba Machuda Ningthembagi role laukiba Yumnam Arun Kumar na takibaga loinana Best Actress da Mutlaroi daba Machuda Thaba Tombi ki role laukibi as Dipson amadi Chethoi da Chethoi ki role laukibi Somorjit na taki Festival asigi manung channa nupi lila kanglup taraga mathoi amadi nupa lila kanglup taraga marina saruk ya
Hey mabu kamu ko oh makoi ko mathong cha ta ba sipai miyam lei bidagi koi lampi che som khoi pani ne
tu khong hai badi turian semkan na balo khong semkan na ki tamakta akoi gi turau ko lerami
hoi le ba khagi ne
haiku hi tong ba na trang hiang ta na bai na tauri puthoi sin khang bro se turian semkan na bagi mong tai hai tai bang ngoi nung yai chao na ban hai ta bi ngasi ako raw ngong sida mong pa nang isang bahay nung sida niya at dapat ang doktor ka tabi kang din lahat ka daw rin niya dahil kaya ano po mo kudong di mo taduri accident hong dori bra kaya kalido ka na torong ta sana to mo kamay to din po mo ngayon dyan mabo mapa sagay natay kang kato na tamlaga loilam sando pagi leader Tom Chanda kari kana kari kana da basi mahan bahay basi loilam sando pasenge sana duna lakpa sana bini aduh di mana paling basi ayo habis lagi ayo di mana paling basi ibu habis tu yes nak kau dah datang London masih je yellow photo mau thakpa I kau je BTV shambar
Manipur State Kala Academy na sinduna numit 14 chupna chatharakhiba Yankairak Suba All Manipur Shumangla Festival 2022 Mai Park na losinkhibada Mami Mapao gi maikidagi su thagatpa phongdokchari Matang swaida yam nitiamba break amatang logjage khongla yang hanjarake Impact TV bi ing taduna lebi Welcome back adong na yang tabir ba si Impact TV de sandokchari ba Mami Mapao gi chamaga mangarak suba episode ni break ki matungda puzarakli ba Mapao asina watching ngambi amadi linthoy na present tawba Tayai Film Production gi makhada puthokada ba nung on khaba thamoi haina minthon ba Manipuri feature film gi yaifa thoni thoram hauki ba September 10 da Langol ningthau manakta leiba Langol Old Age Home da pangthokhi bagi Mapao asi minyang tamilasi
Tayai Film Production ki banner makhata puthokadaba nung on kraba thamoi haina mingthon ba Manipuri feature film ki yaifa thoni thoram pangthokre nung on kraba thamoi haina mingthon ba Manipuri feature film ki yaifa thoni thoram adu Langol ningthau manakta leiba Langol All Age Home da haukiba September 10 da pangthokibani nung on kraba thamoi hairiba Manipuri feature film asigi story amati producer na Sanjit Moirangthem music da Poirei Thokjom Director of Photography Radha Mohan, Costume da Arvind Tonjam, Makeup Poison, Screenplay amadi Direction da Surjit Khumani, Film asida Gokul Bala, Sunny Lalitabi, Ratan Kumar, Punishori Nganvi, Haikruzam Zem, Sunil Maiboy, Happy Rajan, Ken Moirang amadi Pritam na Saktam Langli.
Ngasi Langban Thagi Thanin Numit asida Tayai Film Production na ihan hanboy na puthokadoriba Manipur feature film nung on kraba thamoi hariba film asi ekoi Sanjit Moirangthem na iba Shaimeksu iba producer su masamang na oiba aduga Surjit Khuman ai samang na direction tawjagadaba Manipur feature film ni hariba wari asi ngasi mag Manipur da namnariba story asiga khar khajik tayon na ba haibadi tongan ba wari machat ama oi hariba wari asi amna nungsiba kungang amadagi haura aga Magi punsi si hingnanaba Imphal sohorda hotel phamdana wana hinglakpadagi magi punsi si hauraklaga magi punsi si hingnanaba kanna honajarakpadagi yumban bagi lambida karigumba khara controversy khara leirakpadagi yamna waba tangkak ama khakta leiraklaga koi nupa nupi anigi yumban bagi mari si tongan ba lambida satkhiba haibadi ekoi nupi sina atopa sakhangdaba amaga Satmina Kibadugi Matung Duda Nipa or Riba Mahana Tabal Hariban Nipa Sina Pikliba Macha Nipa Amaga Nupi Amaga Anisi Amna Wana Loina Hobagi Society Yesidam Tazadaba Masipa with the Quina Nipa Kaka Maral Sibiba Haibadi Nupina Fana Lalaga Sunipana Laluba the Guinea Haiba claim Tobiba Adubo I couldn't Uchaga Doriba Masiki Manipur Fisher Film Masidi Yamna Mung Hazadaba Nupi Sing Nipa Sing the Karam tawna betray tawbiraga mogi lifestyle se chatkiba aduga nipa duna angang singbu honanaba khanjaba matamda kayagi matik wahawi haiba adugi matang dai khoina uchagadaba Manipur film ni nung on khraba thamoi hairi
Aroiba Mapauda Pumpkin Crew na Chingtam Art Hub ka punna khutsam na duna sinba Dance Fest Kill the Beat 2.0 Numit nini chupna hiyang thang mayay lambi dalayba Iray me Eco Park ta traditional dance painting amadi sport photography yauna musical concert mai pak na pangthokibing Mapao asi amu me intamilasi
Haurakliba nahasinggi haishingbasing uthoknabagi pandamda numit ninigi oiva dance feast Kill the Beat 2.0 pangthokre. Dance Feast Kill the Beat 2.0 gi thauram adu Pumpkin Crew na Chingtam Art Hub ka punna kusam na juna Hiang Thang Mayai Lambi da laiba Imaril Eco Park ta September 8 amasung tara numit nini chup na pangthokibani. Additional SP Traffic A Devananda amati Pumpkin Crew gi founder RK Bobo Sanana sarugyado na pangthokiba Kill the Beat 2.0 adu Golden Frame Dance Factor Kanglaipak amadi Nongin Group na mateng pangduna pangthokibani. Loina na Kill the Beat 2.0 gi manung channa traditional dance, painting amadi spot photography na chingbasingda athoi ahensing tanakivaga loina na numidang gi matamda music concert amasu pangthoki. Thauram adugi matangda Pumpkin Crew ki founder RK Vivek na phongdorakpada Kill the Beat 2.0 asi maru oina inkhalakliban nahasinggi tongan be hiramda hai singleba sing adubu uthokpagi mafam ama pinabagi pandamda pangthokpani haiki.
The designer of Labor MB Fashion, please welcome Gunabati Adhikari Mayo. High School Labor MB Fashion House. May have the success of the game.
Haurakliba nahasinggi haisingba amadi makhoi tongan talent sing uthok chabegi tanja ama pinabegi pandamda Pumpkin Crew na Chingtam Art Hub ka punna sinduna Dance Fest Kill the Beat 2.0 mai pak na pangthokiba asimag Mami Mapao gi maikidagi thagat pa phongdokcheri. And that's all we have in this episode. Matangi episode ta anawang pao kya ga loina na umulak chege. Until then, keep watching Impact TV. Bye bye.